Hello, everything is fine? My name is Ellis and I will present to you who love intermittent fasting an extraordinary product that will help you in this weight loss process. Japanese scientists discover fasting switch that supports healthy weight loss. Scientists ask, can you fast without fasting? According to numerous studies, intermittent fasting is the most efficient weight loss method. Unfortunately, not many people can go without food for 5, 8, 12 or even 24 hours at a time. When you do not eat for hours, a switch is activated telling your body to burn any fat reserves and to destroy old cells that are not functioning properly. This triggers a regeneration process that not only support weight loss, but also renews every single cell in your body, making you look years younger. That's why we created Fast Lean Pro. Is unlike anything you've ever tried or experienced in your life before. It's the only formula that contains 11 powerful natural ingredients that work in perfect synergy to trick your brain into thinking you are fasting and maintain a healthy weight no matter what and when you eat. Inside every ounce of Fast Lean Pro you'll find 100% natural and unique ingredients that are clinically proven to support healthy weight loss. Niacin, vitamin B12, chromium, fibersol 2, sucre, biogenic polyamine complex. Every order comes with free shipping too. 97% of customers order 6 jars, our recommended option. 100% satisfaction. 180-day money-back guarantee. Your order today is covered by our ironclad 180-day 100% money-back guarantee. If you are not impressed with the results, then at any time in the next 180 days write to us and we'll refund every single cent. Frequently asked questions. In video description. Link to purchase official website in the video description.